Here we create a new graph showing a table here where we display the products. Okay, we have 10 products, we show 5 products at a time. Okay, so we're going to do the following. Here I'm using a scroll bar. Okay, to do the scroll bar I'm going to use this scroll bar. Okay, here I put, for example, 1. Okay, this one, scroll, pause. And to do the following, gonna have a vertical scroll bar here. I'm going to, and then I'm gonna select this. Row 8, 15 and make it 20. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna move this like this. Don't change anything. Okay, I'm gonna, okay, format control, don't move outside. So if I'm gonna change, I'm going to do the following. Offset. So I'm going to get the element with this one exactly. So if I find the value calculations, this one in this array, exact match. Okay. There was an error. Okay, 20 brackets. So I'm going to get the element total 0 rows, so in the same row, and the columns are 5 on the right. So here going to be control, okay, match plus 1. Okay, and this one is I'm gonna change this. You see, now I'm going to format this line like this. I'm gonna show here. I'm going to show the products according to this. Okay, this one is also equal to, I can also do index, or offset is also the same. Calculations, this one. Okay, in the rows where there is a match of this and this, exact 0. Okay, and column is the same, so I can also stop here. Okay, so we have product this, and this has to be absolute reference. Okay, so here we are, and then two, and this I'm going to increase to 3, and this I'm going to increase of 4, like this. You see, I can also go. Now I'm going to do the following. Format control, here there's current value is 5. Okay, minimum is this one. Format control, the product is this, dashboard, here match, here we type like this, prod space and this prod. Here we're going to type selected product is, we can also leave this as 5, and here we're going to unfortunately, no, we cannot do this. No, we cannot do this. We need to have the other reference. Calculations is selected product here. Okay, we're going to leave this here. We're going to select the product, and here I'm going to copy this, and this one is selected product 1. So we're going to use this again. As you can see, we already have here this here. So this is select product. This one is going to, okay. Now we're going format control. We're going to link to exactly like this, and going then to do the same for this. Put in +$1 here for absolute reference. This. Okay, then I'm going to copy this here. Okay, then here we have +2, here we have +3. Check this, we're going to do this. That's it. Perfect. Okay, this one is going to be the following. If you remember this, we use the offset. Okay, we're going to check this one again. So I'm going to get an offset of this. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to do like this, only that this one, okay, is basically this one. And the row is match of, if you remember, prod space and this one 0, okay, then -1, but where in this array. Okay, here we are, we get this value. Okay, so this one, okay, so this one has to be in select month plus, okay, and this one is the same but +2, okay. Then I'm going to do this match. So yeah, I need to type an absolute reference. Okay, the same is here, absolute. Okay, $3. Okay, this one has to be also absolute reference 3. Okay, there is something wrong on this. Set product 1, range product, this one, select month. I have absolute reference and I forgot this completely. So I'm going to type this. Column. And here to be +1. Okay, this has to be +2, and then has to be +3, +2, +3, 2, +3. Okay, so now we are going then, okay, or even the first one. I'm gonna format this using the fill, this one, like this. in another format like this one and this one. Okay, and can also format cells order like this. And this one as well. Okay, you use this to format. Okay, here we are, get this. Okay, well, so we create our table here. This, in this way we can also insert shape, rectangle. Okay, we can also do like this, and I'm gonna make it format shape. Okay, the fill is no fill, and the border is solid line. Okay, like this. You can also decide to delete this column. Okay, delete this column. Okay, and then developer ribbon here, change this. Okay, here we are, so we deleted this. Yeah, have to be green. Here you can type top or whatever you want. Okay, so you type here, you see here all these values. So it's very nice one. I'm going to show here the overall score displayed at the top. Okay.